So how to buy hosting from Hostinger? In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you in detail how you can buy hosting from Hostinger and how you can get the cheapest yet the best deal from Hostinger, plus an amazing coupon code which can give you further discount while buying hosting from Hostinger. So what you have to do, you have to click on the link in the description, which is like this. Once you click on that link, you will be entitled to page over here. You can see that Hostinger got finest reviews at Trustpilot rating at 4.6, Google 4.8, Hosted Device 4.5, WP Beginner at 4.7. Very few companies are able to achieve such great ratings, and I have never seen any hosting company achieving such awesome ratings. So let's go on, and you can see that they have data centers all around the world: USA, UK, France, India, Singapore, Brazil, Lithuania, and Netherlands. You can see that they also have a all-in-one website solution. They have a website builder, as well as they emphasize a lot on providing fastest speed possible with their light speed web server technology, and they have a 24/7 support over there, and 1.5 soon to be 1.6 website owners are already using it. They have advanced features. They protect your website from DDoS attacks, plus they have a malware scanners, as well as they work on providing you with automatic backups. They also provide free migration. So yeah, the process is very easy. What you have to do, you have to click the button over here and choose the hosting upon according to your preference. For instance, if you're going with a web hosting, you can select over here. In case if you are looking for cloud hosting or WordPress hosting, you can select from here. Make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy amazing discounts plus the coupon code. So you can see that in web hosting, you are being presented with 3 plans: single web hosting, premium web hosting, business web hosting. All of the 3 plans are equally good. The difference is in single plan you can host one website. In premium and business you can host 100 websites. In premium you are getting 100 GB SSD storage. In business you are getting 200 GB SSD storage. In these 2 plans you're getting the free domain. In the single plan you aren't getting a free domain, and you can host only single email account over here. But in premium and business you can host free emails, and the best of all, in business plan you can get a daily backup as well. But in these 2 plans you're also getting weekly backup. So choose your plan according to your preference. Similarly, if you look on WordPress, they offer you 3 plans. You can choose any plan according to your preference, requirement, or whatever is good for you. You can see that they have all of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee, 24/7 support, 99.9% uptime guarantee, and all of the plans are you have an option to host on multiple data centers. So let's say you are going with this plan. Okay, choose any plan according to your preference. Select the add to cart option over here. So what you have to do is to select the add to cart option, and you will be redirected to another page where you can see your offer. This is what you have chosen, and you can see that you are getting weekly backups, 30 days money back guarantee. Now you can see that they're providing you with choosing a period: 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, 48 months. You can choose any according to preference, but 48 months save you the most, with 2 months additionally free. But so I recommend you to either opt for 12, 24 or 48, because in these 3 you are getting a free domain as well. So choose any plan. Now next is either create a new account by writing your email address, or synchronize with your Facebook or Google account by simply clicking over here. Once you are done with it, you can see that Hostinger offers multiple payment methods. You can pay via credit card, you can pay via PayPal, you can pay via the Google Pay, you can pay via the Alipay, you can pay via the CoinGate. You can select any according to your preference, and once you select that one, come over here and then select have a coupon code over here and write this amazing coupon code to get a further discount. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video as well, and press the apply button. And you can see that a already discounted deal got a further discount, and this coupon code works on any deal you can choose on, and then select the submit secure button, and you will be asked to provide your billing details over there. So the buying process of Hostinger is very easy. I hope you like this deal plus this amazing tutorial on how to buy hosting from Hostinger. Good luck buying your hosting from Hostinger.